Hello guys, I am Dipali Konika. Welcome you all in this video. Basically, we are learn today what exactly the tension member, how to determine the TD, if the TD get failed, what measures we have to take, and I have right now I have one numerical which is based on the tension member. Okay, and which is based on also bolted connection. Okay, you have to determine the TD by using the IS code 800-2007. This is for the LSM, and now still WSM is not exist. In IS code 800-2007 there is a design steps which is for TDG, TDL and TDD. Okay. After that, for the rupture, critical angle section or plate, lots of things given in the page number 32, 33 and 34 in IS 800-2007. Okay. Also, there is some notification on page number 34. At the top of the page, the ABG and ATG is there. Okay, and one main thing is also you need that is a steel book. Okay, after that I have one numerical which is based on the tension member. Okay, and that is a 3 meter long member is carrying a service tensile load of 325 kN. Design of member using the two angle provided on same side of gusset plate. Okay, bolted connection. Use a E250 410B grade steel or ordinary bolt of grade 4.6. Okay, as we know the given length, that is L equals to 3 meter. Design tensile strength, that is a 325 kilonewton. Okay. This is the safe load. Okay, this tensile load is the safe load. So we have to calculate for partial load, that is, or for the factored load. Now we have to multiply it as a 1.5 into 325. After calculating this value, we get 487.5 kilonewton. Okay. After that, E250 means Fy equals to 250 Newton per mm square. After that, 410B grade of steel and ordinary bolt of grade 4.6. That is 410B means Fu equals to 410 Newton per mm square. Okay, and Fub equals to 400 Newton per mm square. This is the given values. Okay. After that, the edge distance. Okay, and this is the bolt to bolt connection is the pitch distance. These are the some notation which is used in the tension member. That is, P means pitch distance. That is the distance between the two bolt. That is the center distance between the two bolts. Okay, as you can see here in this diagram, for calculating the pitch value, we know the formula, that is 2.5D. Okay, after that, E means each distance. After that, E is calculated by the formula 1.5 D0. This D0 is the nominal diameter and D is the simple diameter. Okay. G is the gauge distance. For calculation of gauge distance, the formula is 0.6 L1. The L1 is the longer side of the one angle and L2 is the shorter side. Okay, LVG and LTG. LTG is calculated by the formula L1 minus G. This L1 minus G, that is the gauge distance. Okay, and LVG is calculated by the formula, that is E plus 5P. Okay. Now let's do the calculation. Okay, because of the shortage of this board, I have to rough it first. Now, for the calculation of tension member, the first step, which is given on the page number IS 800/2007, page number 32 and 33. The step number 1, calculation for approximate cross-section area. For calculation of approximate cross-section area, the formula is AJ equals to gamma m0 into T upon F bar. The value which is gamma m0, that is which is also given in the IS code 800/2007. Okay. So after putting the value of known component, that is 1.10 into 487.5. This is the factor tensile load. So after putting this value, we get AJ equals to 2145 mm square, or this AG is for the two angle. Okay, we have to calculate it for the single angle section. So 2145 by 2 gives a 1072.5 mm square. This EG is in mm square, but the value which is given in the street table is in centimeter square. So we have to calculate it in centimeter square. Okay. After calculating the value of EG, let's move toward the step number 2, that is the selection of equal angle section. Okay. After calculating the value of Ag, we have to choose the Ag which is higher than the 10.72 centimeter square, or we have to choose the angle section which is higher than the 10.72 centimeter square. So selecting ISA or 2 ISA, this is for 2 angle sections. So centimeter 75 into 75 into 8. Okay, Ag for this angle section is 11.38 centimeter square. In mm square, this is 1138 mm square. Okay. After that, we step number 2. This so firstly I have removed the next step is for design of bolted connection. Okay. For bolted connection, we have to provide the 20 mm dia out bolt of 4.6 grit. Provide 20 mm dia of bolts of grade 4.6. Okay, so the diameter is 20 mm and the nominal diameter is D0 is 20 plus 2, that is 22 mm. Okay. After that, we have to calculate the first is edge distance, which is given the formula 1.5 D0, that is 1.5 into 22, that is the 33 mm. Say it as 40. Okay. After that, second is the pitch, that is the P equals to 2.5 D0, 2.5 into 22, sorry, D. So 2.5 into 20, 50 mm. You have to choose the P, the pitch which is higher than the value, this value, that is 60 mm. Okay. After that, you have to calculate the KB, which is also required for the bolted connection. And it is given on the page IS 800/2007 on page number 75. Okay. After that, first formula for KB equals to E upon 3D0. Okay, E means the edge distance, D is the nominal diameter. Okay, E, that is the 40 upon 3 into D0, that is 22. After calculating this value, we get 0.6. After that, second one is KB equals to P upon 3D0. Okay, minus 0.25. The value of pitch is 60 upon 3 into 22 minus 0.25. Okay, after putting the value, we get 0.65. That is KB. Second value for KB. And the third value for KB equals to FUB upon FU, that is 400 upon 410. After putting we get 0.976. Okay, and the fourth value, which is already given in the steel IS 800/2007 on page number 75, that is KB equals to 1. So we have to choose from this 4 value, the smaller of the 4 value. Okay, first value is 0.6, and second value is 0.65, and the third value is 0.976, and the fourth value is 1. So smaller of the 4 value is above 4 value is KB equals to 0.6. Okay, so okay, now let's move toward the bolt value. Which is required for the number of bolt in formula of number of bolts. Okay, after that the bolt value is calculated by the two formula. First one is the VDSB and second one is VDPB. Okay, the first formula, that is the design shearing strength of bolt, which is given in the IS code A and B into FUB upon under root 3 gamma and B. Okay, so 0.78 pi by 4 into B square into FUB upon under root 3 gamma and B. Okay. After putting the value of known component, that is 0.78 pi by 4 into 20 square FUB, that is 400 upon under root 3 gamma and B 1.25. Okay, we get 45.27 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay, VDSB. This is the design shearing strength of bolt. Second, that is VDPB. That is the design bearing strength of bolt. The formula for VDPB is 2.5 kb D into T into FUB upon gamma and B. Okay, after putting the value of known component, we get the 2.5 kb, that is the smaller value of the 4 value, that is the 0.6, and D is the diameter, that is the 20. T is the thickness, which is given from the get from the steel level, that is 8. FUB, that is 400, and the gamma and B is 1.25. Okay, after calculating the value of this equation, we get 76.8 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. This is the value of VDPB. Now, the bolt value, which is smaller from these two values, that is VDSB and VDPB. So, VDSB equals to, bolt value equals to 45.27 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay, this bolt value which is required for the number of bolt, which is required for the formula of number of bolt. So number of bolts equal to T upon BB. T means the tensile load, that is a factor tensile load, and BB is the bolt value. Okay, this T is 487.5 into 10 to the power 3 upon 45.27 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, we get 10.76. We have to convert it as see it as a 12 because we required even numbers. Okay, number of bolts. After that, the next step is check for selected angle section. Okay, we select the 75 mm into 75 mm into 8 mm ISO. Okay, so L1 is 75 mm, which is the longer side, and L2 is the 75 mm. And T is the thickness, that is 8 mm. Okay, we have to calculate the gauge distance also. The formula for which is calculated for the gauge distance, that is 0.6 L1. We know the value of L1, so 0.6 into 75. We get 45. See, it has 40 mm. Okay. After that, we have to calculate the LVG. That is E equals E plus 5P. We know the value of each distance. We know the value of pitch distance also. The edge distance is 40 plus 5 into 16. We get 340 mm. Okay, this is the value of LVG. After that, we have to calculate the value of LTG. That is L1 minus G. Okay, L1, the value of L1 is 75 mm, which is already given. Minus G means the gauge distance. Okay, that is of 40 mm. After calculating the value of LTG, we get 35 mm. Okay. Now, next. Next step is for calculation of gross sectional area. Okay, we have to calculate the first, that is AG, which is for the two angle section. So we choose from these, we select the ISA from ISA, that is AG equals to 11.1138. Okay, we have to calculate it for the two angle section. So we have to multiply it as a 2 by 2. So we get the 2276 mm square, or in centimeter square we get 22.76 centimeter square. Okay, after that we have to calculate the value of AL. The formula for calculating the value of AL is EG minus D0 into TA. This thickness is the angle thickness. Is for angle thickness multiplied by 2. For two angle section, we have to multiply it by 2. Okay, AG, that is 1138 minus 20 into 8 into 2. Okay, sorry. The value of nominal die is 22. After putting, we get the value, that is AM equals to 1924 mm square. Okay. After that, we have to calculate the value of ABG by the help of LBG into TA. Okay, the value of LBG, which is already calculated, that is 340 into TA, that is thickness of angle is 8. Okay, after calculation we get 2720 mm square. Okay, after that we have to calculate the LBM. The formula which is for calculation of LBM by the help of LBG minus number of bolts minus 0.5 into D0 into TA. Okay, after putting the value of known component, that is LBG equals to 340, which is already calculated, and the number of bolt, which is also already calculated, that is a 6. 0.5 into D0 is 22 into 8. Okay, after calculation or after putting this value, we get 1752 mm square. Okay, this is the value of LBM. And the next one is LTG. Okay, LTG is calculated by the formula ATG is calculated by the formula LTG into TA. With the help of LTG, we can calculate the value of LTG. The LTG is 35 into 8. 280 mm square. Okay, after that we have to calculate the value, that is ATM. Okay, that is 35 minus LTG minus 0.5 D0 into TA. After putting the value of LTG, that is 35 minus 0.5 into 22 into 8, we get ATM equals to 192 mm. AVN and ATG, AVG, AN and AG. Okay. After that, we have to calculate the TD, speed design tensile load, with the help of three formulae, that is the TDG. We have to calculate TD with the help of three formulae, TDG, TDN and TDV, which is given on IS 800 2007, page number 32, 33 and 34. Okay, so move towards the calculation. Calculation for TD. Okay, the first formula for calculation of TD is TDG equals to EG into Fy upon gamma m0. Okay, that is 2276. This EG is for the two angle section. Okay, so Fy equals to 250 and gamma m0, which is also given in the IS 800 2007 on page number 30. So we get 1.10. After this calculation, we get the value of TDG, that is 517.27 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay, this is the value of TDG. Second is TDN, that is alpha into AN FU upon gamma m1. Okay, this alpha, which is also given in the IS 800 2007, if they have a number of poles more than 4, so alpha is 0.8. Okay, and the gamma m1 is, which is also given in IS 800 2007, that is 1.25 on page number 30. One table is given on the page number 30. So we have to calculate, we have to choose it as for the sharp field. Okay. After putting the value of alpha, AN, FU upon gamma m1, we get the value of TDN. Okay. So alpha is 0.8, AN is 1924 into FU 410 upon gamma m1 1.25. After calculating this equation, we get 504.86 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. The TDN is also calculated. Okay. The next one is, that is the third formula for TDB. TDB for single angle, which is given by the two formulae on page number 33. That is TDB1 and TDB2. We have to choose it, these two equations, the smaller value of these two equations. Okay. So the first TDB, I have to rough it first. TDB. Okay, first formula for TDB equals to EVG upon FU upon under root 3 gamma m0. Okay, plus 0.9 ATN FU upon gamma n1. Okay, we know the value of EVN, FU, gamma n1, n0, ATN, FU upon gamma n1. So put the value of known component, that is EVG equals to 2720 into FU, that is of 410 upon under root 3 into 1.10. Okay, plus 0.9 into ATM, that is, which is also already calculated, FU 410 upon 1.25. After putting this value, the known component value, we get the value of TDB, first TDB 1, that is 413.58 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. After that, the second formula for TDB 2, that is 0.9 EVN FU upon under root 3 gamma n1 plus ATG FU upon gamma n0. Okay. After putting the value of EVN, FU, gamma n1, ATG, FU and gamma n0, we get the value of TDB2. Okay. After that, 0.9 into AVN, that is 1752, which is already calculated by, and FU is 410 under root 3 into 1.25 plus ATG is 280 into FU, that is 410 upon 1.25. Okay. After calculating this equation, we get the value of TDB2, that is 362.23 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. After that, we have to choose that TDB1 and TDB2. We get the value, smaller value of this two value. Okay, we get the value of TDB. So TDB equals to smaller of above two value. We get TDB equals to 362.23. This TDB, the value of TDB is for the single angle section. So we have to convert it for the double angle section. So TDB equals to 362.23 into 10 to the power 3 into 2. We have to multiply it by the 2. After that, we get the 724.46 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. TDB equals to, so this is the value of TDB. Okay. After that, we know the value of TDG, that is TDG is 517.27 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. Next one is TDN, that is 504.8576 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. And the TDB for double anchor section is 724.46 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. We have to choose the smaller value of the above three value, that is the TDG, TDN and TDB. This is the value of design tensile load, that is the TD. Okay. The smaller of above three value, that is TD equals to 504.86 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay, this is the value of design tensile load. Okay, and we have to satisfy one condition, that is TD is greater than T. Okay, so TD equals to and T equals to 487.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay. After satisfying this condition, that is TD is greater than T, then and then only we can say that our calculation is right. Okay. Hence, the selected section is safe. Okay. So thank you. Keep watching and keep learning. Please, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो हमारे वेबसाइट को लाइक कीजिए, इस www.civilnotes.com. Okay. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.